The National Council on Compensation Insurance, the NCCI, developed the Workers' Compensation and Employers' Liability Insurance Policy, which we'll refer to as the Workers' Compensation Policy. It is the industry standard policy in most states. Each of the states has its own laws pertaining to the statutory liability of employers for their employees. The Workers' Compensation Policy provides compulsory insurance benefits that coincide with the Workers' Compensation Acts and statutes of each state. In order to be covered under the Workers' Compensation Policy, an injured person or an injury must arise from and be related to the injured worker's job duties. The policy also provides benefits for employer's liability, which responds to an injured worker's allegations that the insured business was negligent. Workers' compensation benefits are not provided for injuries that are not related to employment. Our review of workers' compensation insurance entails types of workers' compensation laws, exempt workers, federal programs, workers' compensation benefits, employers' liability benefits, and the policy itself. Workers' compensation insurance is the exclusive remedy for workplace injuries. This means that an injured worker cannot obtain other insurance for workplace injuries or their related medical expenses and lost wages. Injured workers are not permitted to sue an employer for injuries it covered by workers' compensation insurance. Payment of workers' compensation benefits is made regardless of the negligence of either the employer or the employee. Even if an employee contributed to his own injury, benefits must be provided. Each state's Workers' Compensation Act and statutes determine certain characteristics of workers' compensation insurance in its jurisdiction. Specifically, whether insurance is a legal requirement of doing business in that state, what type of workers are subject to statute and which are exempt from it, who may provide insurance, for example, private insurance companies, the state and/or self-insurers, the benefit levels paid for certain types of injuries, difficulties, and lost wages.